Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can create an HYP investment platform. Now, this is for educational purpose only. Now, in order for you to run an investment platform, you need to have license for you to operate fully. Now, if you need this script, then you can reach out to me to get the script. But then I'm going to show you how you can install it. And if you don't know how to install it, even after watching this video from the beginning to the end, then you can also reach out to me privately, which is going to cost you a little bit of money, which you should be able to afford. Now, as you can see here, this is the demo of how it looks like. The demo of how it looks like. So I'm going to install the scripts. So you're going to see how it's going to look like on your own site. So the first thing you need to do is you need to get a hosting plan, and your hosting plan, you need to get cPanel. Now, in my previous video, I talked about how you can create a database. Now, you need to watch that video, how you can create a database, because you can see over here, I've already created a database already, which I did in the previous video. So I'm going to drop it in the description and the card up, which is going to show on the screen while you're watching this video. So the next thing you need to do is you need to install the script. So this is the script which I've extracted. As you can see here, this is a script. I've installed it and I've extracted the scripts. So this was the folder it came from. So the next thing I just had to do was to load up my website. So I'm going to go back. So as you can see here, you can see this is the website once I load it up. So if you think I'm lying, then this is it again. As you can see, the same thing you're seeing here is the same thing you're seeing here. So make sure that this it's your PHP version is 8.1. Also watch my video on how to change your PHP version to 8.1. That is, like I said, depending on the hosting accounts you're getting. Some by default is 8.2, 8.3. So if it shows red here, just head over to the video I explain how to go about it. So now the next thing you need to do is you click on next step, then license code. Well, basically, this is the license code. But like I said, is until you get the script from me, that's when you can have this type of license code. If you don't get the script from me, whatever license code you're going to put here, it's not going to work. So now the next thing is you're going to click next step, and then this is where we put our database information. So the database name is what I just made mention of earlier, which we created in our previous video. So the database username, I'm just basically using the same username that I created for the database name. So I'm just going to copy the same thing and I'm going to just paste it by here. Then for the database password, remember I talked about how you could save your database password. You are going to need it here. So all I'm just going to do is I'm going to copy and I'm going to click on paste. Now I'm going to click on next, which is to import database. So now you can see here database connection successfully, and you can see connected successfully, import database. So I'm going to click on import database. So now it's going to ask me to put my um username. So I'm just going to call this admin. I say you can put any information, but this is for the sake of this tutorial. So I'm going to put my password. So this is it. So you can see here, it's going to tell me I can open link to admin dashboard, which you can see right now. Remember, this was the demo. Now we've installed the script over here. You can see here, um this is the script, which is the investment platform, which you can use to run your business. So you're into trading and the rest, you want to offer your customers investment opportunity when they trade with you, then this is the platform for you to use. This is a script for you to use. So now we're going to open link a new tab, and then next thing you're going to do is to put that information that I kept earlier on. So I'm just going to put at this is it. And over here I'm just going to put the password. So I'm going to log in. You can see you successfully logged into your account. The next thing I'm going to do is next thing I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to scroll down, and one thing I love about this script is that you can change the look of your website over here. So all you just have to do is this. Just give it some time for it to load. Just give it some time to load. You can see there are different scripts. So if I click on activate now for this one, now I'm going to go back here. I'm going to load this. You can see this is how the script is going to look like. Sorry, my network is lagging. All right. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. You can see, it's beautiful. This is how it looks like. You can change the theme. You can change the theme. You can change it to this one. So let's say your customer wants a different theme, not this, then you can just use this particular theme. Or you can change to this one. So you can see that once I come over to this place and I refresh this, you're going to see that it has changed automatically to something like this. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Is how it looks like. That's over here. And you can also change this theme. Now, if you want to edit your theme, it's very simple. To edit is very, very simple. All you just have to do is scroll down and you're going to see something like settings. You see site settings. Now you can change the logo. You can deactivate KYC verification. You can activate it. You can set it to um crypto, fiat. You can change the currency. If you change to crypto, there are a lot of cryptocurrency over here which you can choose from. So then you put the site title, you call it whatever you want to call it. You put your email address. Then this is bonus. This is allowing users transfer money, exchange money on your website. Then if you want to change the pages, so this is what you do. You come over, scroll down, you see page setting, you see pages over here. You can see how it works, schema, landing page. So the hero section, this is it. This is the hero section here, which is this information you're seeing here. So you just change it here. Then make sure you change the URL. So all you just have to do is come over to the side, copy this, and change the URL here. That's all. So just remove this and then come over to this place and just paste this, change this. Then you can also change the images here. So whatever you change your image, it's going to reflect also here. Whatever you change is going to reflect also. So you click save changes. So let's say I'm going to change this to just investment or invest. So I'm going to put invest. I'm going to click save. So now if I refresh this, You can see that it has changed to invest. You can see it has changed to invest. Then for the plans, if you want to change the plans, all you just have to do is come over to schema. Schema is um where the plans are. You can see a starter plan, standard plan. So you just head over to this place, then you can then change the plans over here. This is how to change the plans. Then for customers, all customers, see that we don't have any customer here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create an account. So you can see how beautiful the interface looks like. So I'm going to sign up for free right now, so you can see how it looks like. So I'm just going to put test test. I'm going to put test at gmail.com. Then also okay. Then I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on create account. So you can see here, this is how the dashboard looks like. This is how the dashboard looks like over here. You can see the dashboard over here. This is how it looks like. Now, for each team, the dashboard would look different. So here's what I'm trying to say. So let's say I go over to my landing page. Sorry, team. I click on site settings and then I activate this particular team. So I'm going to activate it now. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to refresh. You're going to see that it has changed. Yes. So yes, it has changed to this particular what design. This is how it's going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. Then this up you can deposit, you can click invest. You can see why this is how it looks like. Sign up bonus on languages. So now let's say I want to switch to this one. Once I click on this team, you can see over here, if I refresh this, can see changes to this one. So let's say I want to use the default one, which is activate now. You can see that if I refresh this, it changes a little bit to this. So the database, if you come over to this side, this database that I created, if you refresh this, you can see now that it has this database information. So now let's say you want to change the admin um user and email password, phone number. You can do it from here also, but you don't really need to do this for those who have understanding of how to make changes to this. But for you as a normal user who just wants to get started, then you can use this particular script to get started. Then we have support tickets. Then you can clear your cache. Then you can see why if I click all customers, you see that I just created you can see it's showing here. So all I just have to do here now is I can click KYC verification here. Then for the investment, let me just save changes over here. So now for the investment, so you can see that I did not invest in anything yet. So there is no any aside from the sign up bonus, which we added. I can deactivate it over here, which is site settings. You can see if I disable KYC from here and I click save changes, you see over here, if I refresh this, it's not going to be asking for KYC anymore. It's not going to be asking for KYC anymore. So this is basically how it works. So you can see all I just have to do now is I just close this. And whenever I click on this, it's going to refresh and bring this home page. Like I said, you can edit these images to your own taste. You can edit the text. Everything here can be edited. So if you have any question, feel free to let me know. And also drop in the comments the next video you would like me to create. Now, For this script, I'm going to be dropping the link. If you need a script, you can comment that you're interested in the script, and you can message me privately to get the script. It's just going to cost a token, which is going to go for, like I said, different countries. So once you reach out to me, I would literally just tell you the price of how much it's going to cost to get the script. For here in this video, this is how to go about it. This is installation process. So this installation process on how to go about it. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my videos. And don't forget to also reach out to me privately through the description or drop a comment, and I'm going to respond to your messages.